Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Baby Girl Wall Decals is probably one of the most exciting and transformative ways to personalize your little one's nursery or bedroom, turning a plain space into a whimsical wonderland that sparks imagination and joy. These charming stickers offer a budget-friendly yet impactful solution for creating a dreamlike atmosphere. From playful animals and enchanting fairies to elegant floral patterns and inspiring quotes, ensuring you can find the perfect design to reflect your baby's unique personality and your aesthetic preferences, making her room a truly special haven. Number 5. DEKOSH Pink Jungle Baby Nursery Wall Decal. Transform your baby's nursery into a vibrant pink jungle with these adorable animal wall stickers. They bring a splash of color and fun to any little one's room. Featuring a charming owl, a playful giraffe, and a friendly lion, these decals are perfect for a girl's bedroom. The large tree design creates a whimsical backdrop for your child's imagination. Decorating is a breeze with these pre-cut, easy-to-apply stickers. You can create a beautiful nursery without any complicated steps, just peel and stick. These versatile decals can be applied to a variety of surfaces, making it easy to personalize any space. Let your creativity flow and design a unique environment. Crafted from top-quality materials, these baby wall decals are designed to last. They are durable and safe for your child's room, ensuring a beautiful and lasting decoration. Applying them is incredibly simple. Just peel off the backing and stick them onto your desired surface. Enjoy a quick and satisfying room makeover. What we like. If you love a vibrant and playful jungle theme for your baby's nursery, this is a fantastic choice. It features colorful owls, giraffes, and lions, bringing a lively atmosphere to the room. Made from top-quality material, it's easy to apply and reposition, making decorating a breeze for any parent looking for a fun and durable nursery decor solution. What people say. These decals are a beautiful addition to a nursery. The colors are vibrant and the designs are cute and whimsical. They are easy to apply and reposition if needed. Number 4. Containlol Rainbow Wall Decals. Transform any room with these vibrant rainbow wall decals. They bring a cheerful and artistic touch to your living space. These decals feature charming elements like clouds and hearts, perfect for sparking imagination. Kids and adults alike can arrange them freely to create a unique look. Ideal for bedrooms, playrooms, nurseries, or classrooms, these decals add a sweet touch. They are also a wonderful gift for birthdays or baby showers. Made from reliable PVC material, these stickers boast strong adhesion and bright, long-lasting colors. They are designed to add a delightful charm to your child's room. Applying these decals is a breeze. Simply peel and stick them onto any smooth surface. They are perfect for walls, furniture, and windows. Each decal measures approximately 30 by 14 inches, providing a significant decorative impact. For best results, flatten them before application to ensure a smooth finish. What we like. For those who adore a dreamy, boho aesthetic with a touch of whimsy, this rainbow wall decal is perfect. Its watercolor design with clouds and hearts can be arranged freely, allowing for a personalized touch. If you're looking for a versatile decor piece that can be a fun DIY project for kids and adults alike, and suitable for various rooms from nurseries to playrooms, this is an excellent option. What people say. It was easy to place and my foster kiddo loves the bright colors. After I placed it, I was able to remove some pieces to rearrange the clouds and the decal did not rip. These wall stickers are not only easy to apply thanks to their peel and stick feature but also brighten up the space with their charming and whimsical design. The pastel colors and heart shapes create a cheerful and inviting atmosphere, perfect for nurseries, kids' rooms, or any space in need of a touch of warmth and creativity. The quality of the decals is excellent, and they adhere well to the wall without damaging the paint upon removal. Even cuter in person. The color is so cute and it surprisingly didn't rip at all when trying to get it off to put it on the wall. Doesn't leave any residue either. Super easy to put up. Number 3. EGD Personalized Flower Wall Decor. Introducing our personalized flower wall decor, a beautiful way to add a touch of color and charm to any room. These floral wall stickers are designed to bring a unique and vibrant feel to your space. Make it uniquely yours. Our stickers can be fully customized with a wide range of colors to perfectly match your style and preferences, ensuring your complete satisfaction. We offer flexibility with various size options to fit your needs. If you don't see the perfect size, just ask, and we'll happily provide a custom quote for you. Rest assured, our decals are crafted from safe, non-toxic PVC material and printed with eco-friendly inks. They are designed with your well-being and the environment in mind. These wall decals are perfect for smooth, flat surfaces like walls, glass, or metal. For the best results, please avoid textured or rough surfaces. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any questions or need assistance with installation, our dedicated support team is ready to help you within 24 hours. What we like? If you're seeking a truly unique and personalized touch for a girl's room or nursery, this customizable floral wall decal is ideal. You can add a special name or message in a beautiful cursive font, with options for various colors and sizes. For parents who prioritize safety with non-toxic, eco-friendly materials and want a decor piece that feels tailor-made, this offers a bespoke solution. What people say. Very big and nice quality. Super pretty, easy to install in the wall, nice material and super gorgeous. This is a great room decal for my daughter's room. Really nice quality and durable. I was surprised at how easy it was to install. Sometimes larger stickers can be a pain to keep the bubbles out, but this is set up to make installation really easy. Number 2. 24 PCS Kawaii 3D Butterfly Wall Stickers, Pink. Transform your space with a vibrant pop of pink. These stickers bring life and color to any room, making decorating a breeze. Bring the delicate beauty of nature right into your home. These butterfly designs add a touch of natural charm to your walls. Worry less about spills and smudges. The waterproof finish ensures they are easy to clean and built to last. Add a touch of whimsical charm with these adorable designs. Their cute and playful style is perfect for adding personality. Ideal for decorating your home or personalizing a girl's room. These versatile stickers are perfect for any wall space. Experience the magic of 3D butterflies that seem to flutter on your walls. They create a captivating and dynamic visual effect. What we like? If you want to add a touch of enchanting nature and cuteness to a girl's room, these 3D butterfly wall stickers are a delightful choice. Their vibrant pink color and kawaii style bring a whimsical feel, while the waterproof finish ensures easy cleaning and durability. If you're looking for a simple yet impactful way to decorate walls with a charming, nature-inspired theme that's easy to maintain, these are a great pick. What people say. Great quantity. Easy to install and remove if needed. They are so cute on the wall and they last long. They have been hanging for a year now and haven't came off. Number 1. WallPops Luckiest Day Wall Art Kit. Bring a touch of magic to your space with this beautiful rainbow wall art kit. It features a charming watercolor effect that will brighten any room. Decorating has never been easier. Simply peel and stick these decals to your wall. They are also repositionable, so you can get the placement just right. Worry-free decorating is here. Our wall art is always removable and leaves no sticky residue behind, ensuring your walls stay pristine. These decals adhere beautifully to most smooth, flat surfaces. Use them on walls, furniture, or any other area you wish to enhance. This kit comes with 9 individual pieces, giving you plenty of options to create a stunning display. Let your creativity shine. What we like? For a quick and easy way to add a cheerful, artistic touch to a child's room, this watercolor rainbow wall art kit is a winner. Its peel and stick design is not only simple to apply but also repositionable, making it perfect for renters or those who like to change the decor often. If you need a damage-free decorating solution that adds a pop of color and a playful vibe to most smooth surfaces, this kit is a fantastic, hassle-free option. What people say. Easy to use and sticks to textured wall. Looks great despite one bubble I couldn't get out before it stuck to the wall. It looks so great. The wall, it is thick and sticks well. I took it off the wall several times and stuck it back on because we couldn't decide in placement and it's still sticky and looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.